Be ready? Start. With the cooperation of all and the implementation of the 5-year plan, I am sure, sir, that we should be able to lay the foundations and fulfill the dreams of India. Stop. It is indeed encouraging to know from the finance minister that there is a tendency of lowering food prices all over the world, and in that case the prices in our country too would be lowered. Stop era. Regarding defense, for obvious security reasons, I do not agree with my friends who say that the expenditure should be curtailed. Stop. It is not advisable to take any undue risks and slacken the defense arrangements. Stop. Indeed, defense is one of our valuable assets, although strange to say there seems to be adverse opinion in some quarters. Stop. I agree with what General Kariyappa once said, that God and army are remembered only when there is trouble. Stop. The army consists of the most disciplined and loyal set of young men. Stop. It would not be proper to effect economy in the pay of these brave officers, as it would not be an incentive for the right type of young men to join the army, and it would become ineffective and inefficient. Stop. I believe already officers who were drawing rupees 1400 as their pay are now getting only rupees 700 and about rupees 100 as allowance. Stop. That is, they are getting about half of what they were getting before. Stop era. It is very hard for those officers on field duty to establish separate establishments for their families and for their children, and I would specially appeal to the finance minister to see that the family allowances may be restored to those officers who are on field duty. Stop. Para. Economy in army could be effected in other ways. Stop. There is scope for more efficient operation of defense industries, which process seems slow, and by purchase policy of utilizing goods and stores indigenously manufactured. Stop. Preference should be given to country made war materials such as could be produced here, and they would be cheaper than foreign made goods. Stop. I may also suggest that the armed forces who are not on field service or under any operational commitments could be utilized for giving military training to the youths in schools and colleges, which would teach discipline and loyalty. Stop. The university authorities should make military training as part of their compulsory education, just as they have adopted social, domestic, and political sciences. Stop. The National Cadet Corps is already inculcating military training in some universities such as Bombay and Calcutta. Stop. But if military training is made compulsory for our university students, it will go a long way. Stop. Para. Sir, the Essential Commodities Act was passed 5 years ago, and when the minister yesterday came with an amending bill, we expected that he would give us a brief report on the working of this measure for the last few years. Stop. But unfortunately, we are kept in the dark in regard to the exact working of the Act and the nature of the difficulties the Minister is facing. Stop. Sir, as far as I know, many of the provisions of this enactment have been observed more in violation by his agents at the state level. The food minister may be very earnest, may be very able, and may be very anxious to see that the various provisions of the Act are implemented in the most effective manner at the state level, but unfortunately, his agents at the state level are not equally enthusiastic or equally anxious to observe the provisions of this enactment. Stop. The most important objectives of this enactment are to control the supply and distribution of commodities and to maintain a stable price level. Stop. In regard to both these aspects, I am afraid that the government has failed to realize the objectives in view. Stop. Some time passed when there was scarcity of food grains. Attempts were made to make procurement from certain wholesale merchants and from rice mills. Stop. In my own state, I know of many instances of such procurement where, after making known that certain things had to be done and certain steps had to be taken by the merchant community, nothing was done later on by the government when they found that these very orders of the government were violated. Stop. As a result of the violations, there was a consequent rise in the prices of food grains. Stop. In respect of other commodities like iron and steel, paper, etc., we see a lot of speculative activities, but the provisions of the Act have not been brought to bear on them. Stop. Perhaps no case of prosecution was launched against those people who contravened the various provisions of the Act. Stop. We are interested to know in how many cases the government have taken steps to prosecute individuals who have violated the various sections of the Act. Stop. The minister said that the powers under the Act were not adequate. Stop. We sympathize with the food minister, but I want to know what action has been taken in this regard by the various state governments. Stop.